While Dallas, Texas, may not be as prone to hurricanes as coastal cities, the increasing frequency and severity of severe storms in recent years make it essential for homeowners to consider ways to protect their homes. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your property is by installing hurricane-resistant windows. These specialized windows are designed to withstand the powerful winds and flying debris that accompany hurricanes and severe storms, providing added security and peace of mind for homeowners. In this article, we'll explore the many benefits of hurricane-resistant windows and why they are a must-have for homeowners in Dallas looking to protect their homes from severe weather. Protection from high winds. One of the primary features of hurricane-resistant windows is their ability to withstand extremely high winds. In Dallas, storms can bring wind speeds that exceed 100 miles per hour, and while hurricanes are less common, severe thunderstorms and tornadoes are not. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed to handle these intense wind conditions, which can otherwise damage or even shatter traditional windows. These windows are built with laminated glass, reinforced frames, and heavy-duty materials to ensure they remain intact during a storm. Unlike standard windows, which can easily be broken by flying debris or wind pressure, hurricane-resistant windows help maintain the structural integrity of your home, preventing damage to the interior and reducing the risk of injury from broken glass. Protection from flying debris. One of the most dangerous aspects of severe storms, especially hurricanes, is the debris that is carried by high winds. Flying tree branches, roofing materials, and other debris can shatter ordinary windows, leaving your home vulnerable to rain, wind, and further damage. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed to withstand impacts from debris, providing an extra layer of protection for your home. The laminated glass used in hurricane-resistant windows is much stronger than regular glass, allowing it to resist shattering on impact. Even if a piece of debris strikes the window, the glass may crack but will remain in place, reducing the risk of additional damage or injury. This impact resistance is a critical feature for homeowners in Dallas who are concerned about the safety of their property and family members during severe weather events. Energy efficiency and noise reduction. While the primary purpose of hurricane-resistant windows is to protect against storms, they also offer numerous benefits when it comes to energy efficiency. The laminated glass and reinforced frames help insulate your home, reducing the amount of heat transfer from the outside. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without overloading your HVAC system. In addition to temperature regulation, hurricane-resistant windows also offer excellent soundproofing qualities. The thick, multi-layered glass reduces the amount of outside noise that enters your home, which can be especially beneficial if you live near a busy street or if your home is subjected to frequent storms. This noise reduction creates a more peaceful living environment and improves overall comfort. Increased home value and insurance benefit. Installing hurricane-resistant windows can increase the value of your home. Many buyers are drawn to homes that offer added protection and energy efficiency, especially in regions prone to severe weather. By investing in these windows, you not only enhance your home's appeal but also provide long-term security for future homeowners. Additionally, many insurance companies offer discounts to homeowners who install hurricane-resistant windows, as these windows significantly reduce the risk of storm-related damage. In Dallas, where severe storms can cause significant damage to homes, installing hurricane-resistant windows could result in lower home insurance premiums. These savings, combined with the increased value of your home, make the upfront cost of installation a smart investment. Peace of mind during storm season. One of the most significant advantages of installing hurricane-resistant windows is the peace of mind they provide during storm season. When a storm is approaching, homeowners often face the stressful task of boarding up windows or preparing for the worst. With hurricane-resistant windows already in place, you don't have to worry about spending hours securing your home. You can rest assured knowing that your windows will protect your home against the worst weather conditions, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of storm preparation. This added security is especially important for homeowners in Dallas, where severe weather events can strike unexpectedly. Whether it's a summer thunderstorm or a rare hurricane, having hurricane-resistant windows in place ensures that you and your family are better prepared to weather the storm. Long-term durability. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed to last for decades, making them a durable and low-maintenance solution for protecting your home. These windows are built to withstand the harsh conditions associated with severe storms, including heavy rain, high winds, and debris impacts. Unlike traditional windows that may need frequent repairs or replacements, hurricane-resistant windows are designed to maintain their integrity over time, offering long-lasting protection with minimal upkeep. By installing hurricane-resistant windows, you are making a smart, long-term investment in the safety and durability of your home. These windows require little maintenance beyond regular cleaning, providing a hassle-free solution that offers reliable protection for years to come. Conclusion. Hurricane-resistant windows are a must-have for homeowners in Dallas who want to protect their property from severe storms and weather-related damage. These windows provide enhanced protection against high winds, flying debris, and water infiltration, offering peace of mind during storm season. In addition to their storm protection benefits, hurricane-resistant windows also improve energy efficiency, increase home value, and offer insurance savings. By investing in hurricane-resistant windows, you're not only safeguarding your home but also enhancing its long-term durability, comfort, and marketability. In a city where severe storms can strike at any time, hurricane-resistant windows offer the protection you need to keep your home and family safe.